Hey everyone, so here we have the getBonoo app. Well, here on the home screen, right, we have the list of MIDI songs that we've imported or created, right? So, Michigan DI is basically, right, a file that contains audio, sound settings that generate music audio, right? So here they have the drum mapping system, right? Mine was already mapped, but whenever you connect a new drum kit here, it's good to come in and map it, right? Just to make sure everything's working properly. So this is the setup that the app needs, right? All right, so here I have two songs. So I'll show you the play mode first, okay? To play, right? In this case, uh, there's live and training, right? So live is where I'll listen with the backing track. You have the sound there, right? From a song that came from the MIDI. I'll have a note, right? And it's played at the original beat of the song. So opened it. Here it shows the parts that are in this song. So here it starts. There are a few bars at the beginning just so you can get the feel of the rhythm, right? There's backing track control, volume control, metronome. There's the volume for my drums, right? So if I play here, look, it'll mark with an X on the parts that are there, right? So this is basically the system, right? Well, what we can also do is edit the song. So here we have a way to check the MIDI, the entire MIDI map of the song, and we can make changes to it if we think something in this MIDI isn't right, something like that. So we can either add new notes, we can remove new notes, right? We can add them here within each line, take out timing. So we can do some cool configurations. We can also disable it to place them wherever we want. So you can put them really close to each other, right? If you want to do a flam, something like that. So basically this is the music section here. We can also import, so for example, take a file here, offspring. So, okay, I opened the minimap, imported it, it opened for me to configure the music. I can set it up, I can check how it is, right? So I added it to the library. It's going to load for a bit and add it to the library and start processing the backtracking. I can hear, right, this is a song that has an error right in the MIDI. The hit closed is set as pedal. It's not necessarily a mistake, but whoever made it used this MIDI sound, so we can come here and configure it, right? I want open, I want closed, right? So it's going to do mapping. I can edit the song's name. I can dock write a few settings here, right? I saved it. Okay, I'm back here. When you play the song, it'll already have the new mapping I just made. Right? So that's basically it. The song we just imported is already here too, right? We have the training mode. What is training mode? It's the mode where we can already open the song, right? And we can set the BPM. So yeah, it's really hard for me to play the song at the original speed, which is 190, right? So I can come here and set it to 100 so I can try to learn the rhythm, and then play it, right? There's also the loop mode. So man, I'm not able to nail this fill here, which is centered on this measure. I can practice it. Here, it's gonna go back to the beginning now, right? And you'll be able to keep practicing that part until you get the rhythm down, right? So another mode we have here is the creation mode, right? So creation is basically where you come here and play around making the measures and beats you need, right? So here I'm going to create an example, okay? And here I can also listen to it. I think I can see the name. If I want to add it, if I want to put my name here, right? So 60, I'm going to set it to 60 BPM. Or you can come here and create as well, right? So I'll be there in new song. Okay, so once it's created, I can start playing right away. So up to the measure I mentioned before, the song starts and then the song begins. Since this is a creation, I haven't managed to create an automatic backing track for it yet, but I plan to do something like that in the future. Here I'll have my scoring system. So how much I got right, how much I missed right. So I think that's it. I think that's it. That's my little system. I believe now you can have a broader overview